Today we have a quick little unboxing. We have a bunch of stuff from Portakeeper. Portakeeper is a YouTuber as well as a manufacturer of a bunch of different coffee accessories, and he sent me over a few different things, so I'm excited to share what he sent and what I think of the products as an initial review. So starting off, we have the Portakeeper Weiss distribution tool. This allows for the stirring of coffee grounds and making an even extraction in your puck. All this is packaged nicely. So Portakeeper has been known for 3D printing some stuff, and as a result of that, he went into injection molding of things, and that has increased a lot throughout his products. So instead of the 3D printed kind of look of things, he has sent it over to some injection mold stuff. So starting off, we have the Weiss distribution tool. We're going to go pretty quick through all of this. And you'll see all of this a little bit more on when I do a 2023 version of my coffee bar. So we have this little stir of grounds, and then we have this little piece to hold it on your coffee bar or on your coffee wall or on the side of your espresso machine, which looks super nice, super clean. There's really not any kind of messed up portions of this, like if there's like a little thicker part of these things, it looks very, very cleanly printed on it. This is a This is, anti-popcorn piece for the DF64 or the DF83. And then we also have the cup tilter for the DF83 as well, which you'll see coming soon. That's a spoiler alert of probably the next unboxing video that'll come out, which will be the DF83. Then we have some of the things that I'm excited for. So we have the Weiss distribution technique tool, the anti-popcorn piece, and the cup tilter, all 3D printed. And then we got some of the newer stuff, which is injection mold. And this is an injection molded tamper keeper, is what I believe they call it. Yep, tamper keeper, so it holds your tamper on there, and you can mount this onto your wall via the command strips here, which should work pretty well. I'm excited for. And then he sent me over 3 black, which it looks like he has a couple different options of colors that you can get in these things. But he sent me 3 injection molded Portakeepers, which is holding your portafilter on a wall. I have 4 things for my Breville Dual Boiler, so 3 of them will go on the wall, 1 will stay on the machine. Oh my gosh, these things feel so much nicer than the 3D printed stuff was never a bad, but these are the injection molded ones that he spent some time on and spent a lot of money making these injection molds to make it better basically than anything you can find on Etsy. And these look super well built, and I'm excited to put these on my coffee bar, and you'll see what these look like soon. So if you like this content, if you're excited and you want to see what my coffee bar looks like 2023, what gear I'm using, look at that in the upcoming video. Just please like and subscribe to help me produce more content. And thanks to Portakeeper for sending all, there's one more thing here. What is this? Oh, this is a V60 3D printed. This is 3D printed V60 filter holder that also goes on your wall. All these are by command strips here, and I'm super excited to see what these look like on my wall and kind of completing my coffee bar a little bit. I think this one might actually go to work for my pour over station there. But thanks to Portakeeper for sending these out. Make sure you check out his work, his channel. If you're looking at purchasing stuff, I'm going to link all of this stuff to his website directly below. I don't make commission off of this, but I think this is really cool stuff to have to keep your coffee bar a little bit organized. So like and subscribe and stay tuned for the full coffee bar tour and what this kind of looks like with the DF83 that is coming in the near future. Thanks so much for watching.